A very good morning, good afternoon, good night, whenever you will watch this video. So today in this video, we will discuss with new topic which is misplaced modifiers. So I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. So without wasting much time, let us start this video. So first we'll understand the meaning of modifiers means what and how it is misplaced. So over here on the board I have written something that modifier is a word. It is a word or a phrase or a clause which is not present in the sentence. Certain word is there, that word is not present in the sentence. That means that word is known as modifier, and if word is not present in the sentence, that means modifier is missing. That is the meaning of missing modifier. Okay, next is what? That in the sentence or placed at different position, or whatever word is there which is known as a modifier, that word is placed at different position. And if that word is present at different position, so what we will say, that modifier is misplaced. So two meanings are there for misplaced modifiers. First one is what? Modifier means what? It is a word that is not present in the sentence. That means modifier is missing. Now misplaced modifier means what? Whatever word is there which is known as modifier that is placed at different position. So due to that, what's happened? So that confusion in the sentence is created or sentence sound awkwardly. That means that modifier is not present in the sentence, then what's happened? Confusion is created in the sentence or sentence sound awkwardly. And if modifier is placed at different position, that means if modifier is misplaced, then also confusion is created in the sentence and sentence sound awkwardly. So that thing we will understand by taking few examples. So first thing I have written over here, that when 5 years old, my teacher taught me poem. So this type of sentence sounds awkwardly, confusion is there, that when 5 years old my teacher taught me poem means what? That means modifier is missing. Which modifier is missing? So I will say when, that is modifier. I was 5 years old. My teacher taught me poem. That is the correct sentence. So that modifier is missing. Okay. Next is Ram drinks a hot cup of tea daily. Ram drinks a hot cup of tea daily. That means over here whatever modifier is there, that modifier is placed at different position, not on the correct position. So over here hot cup, Ram drinks hot cup of coffee means what? So correct sentence is what? Ram drinks a cup of hot coffee. So that is the correct position of modifier daily. That is the correct sentence. Okay, next is Rahul gives bananas to equal in hands means what? That modifier is misplaced over here because that sentence sounds awkwardly, confusion is created. That Rahul gives bananas to the equal in hands means what? Now you have to correct that sentence by placing the modifier at correct position. How? That Rahul gives equal bananas in the hands. So now modifier you have located at the correct position, so that meaning is clear, confusion is not there. Okay, next is my father only contributed 200 rupees to my school books. Again over here that modifier, that word is placed at different position, so that is known as misplaced modifier. So you will correct that sentence by changing the position of that modifier which is misplaced. How? My father contributed only 200 rupees to my school books. So that is the correct sentence. Now we'll see few more examples. Next is walking on the highway, a car will hit you. So over here confusion is there. Walking on the highway, car will hit you means what? That means over here modifier is missing. So over here I will add if you walk on the highway, a car will hit you. That is the correct sentence. That is your missing modifier. Next is Manisha found a silver woman's watch. Again modifier is misplaced. Over here missing, over here misplaced. Confusion is there. Manisha found a silver woman's watch means what? So that is your misplaced modifier. So correct sentence is what? Manisha found a woman's silver watch. So that is your correct position of modifier. So that sentence is correct. Next is people who shout rarely are happy. Again modifier, this modifier is misplaced. So confusion is created, sound awkwardly. So that place we will put it correct. How? People who rarely shout. That is your correct modifier. People who rarely shout are happy. That is your correct sentence. Next is, I observed an elephant on my journey. Over here also modifier is misplaced. Whole sentence you have to change. How? That first I will write on my journey I observed an elephant. So that is the correct position of modifier. Next is, Vivek almost failed every exam he gave. Here also that modifier is misplaced. Correct meaning is we cannot understand, confusion is there, sound awkwardly. So we will place that modifier at its correct position. How? That Vivek failed in almost every exam he gave. So over here position of the modifier was wrong. Also one modifier is missing. So we have replaced the position of modifier as well as we have add one modifier so that meaningful sentence we can construct. And last is, only Rahul gave me 10 rupees to clean his house. Over here that modifier, that word is misplaced. We will place that modifier at the correct position so that that sentence will not sound awkwardly, or meaningful sentence is there, or confusion is not created. So simply I will write Rahul gave me only, that is the correct position. Rahul gave me only 10 rupees to clean his house. That is the correct sentence. So I hope you are able to understand the meaning of misplaced modifier means what. So now I would like to end this video. Once again we will meet in a new video with a new topic. So till then, read hard, work hard. Thank you very much.